dotted silver threads, dropped from heaven by the gods. Nature then takes me, to adorn her fields and valleys. I am beautiful pearls, plucked from the crown of Ishtar by the daughter of dawn, to embellish the gardens. When I cry the hills laugh. When I humble myself the flowers rejoice. When I bow, all things are related. The field and the cloud are lovers. And between them I am a messenger of mercy. I quench the thirst of one. I cure the ailment of the other. The voice of thunder declares my arrival. The rainbow announces my departure. I am like earthly life, which begins at the feet of the mad elements and ends under the upraised wings of death. I emerge from the heart of the sea, soar with the breeze. When I see a field in need, I descend and embrace the flowers and the trees in a million little ways. I touch gently at the windows with my soft fingers, and my announcement is a welcome song. All can hear, but only the sensitive can understand. The heat in the air gives birth to me, but in turn I kill it, as woman overcomes man with the strength she takes from him. I am the sigh of the sea, the laughter of the field, the tears of heaven. So with love, sighs from the deep sea of affection, laughter from the colorful field of the spirit, tears from the endless heaven of memories.